Hey there, fellow adventurers! Are you ready to embark on a journey filled with excitement and discovery? It's your friend, Samantha Brown, here to talk about something we all love: travel. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or just starting to explore the world, there's always something new to learn. There's nothing quite like exploring new places, trying new foods, and soaking up different cultures. The thrill of discovering a hidden alleyway or tasting a local delicacy for the first time is unmatched. But let's be honest, sometimes travel can be a little tricky. Navigating through unfamiliar streets, dealing with language barriers, and figuring out transportation can be overwhelming. Long lines, overpriced souvenirs, and crowded tourist spots can put a damper on your trip. It's easy to get caught up in the tourist traps and miss out on the true essence of a place. That's where TravelPartner Official comes in. We're dedicated to making your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. With our tips and tricks, you'll be able to navigate any destination like a pro. We're here to help you travel smarter, not harder. From finding the best local spots to avoiding common pitfalls, we've got you covered. We'll give you the inside scoop on how to avoid tourist traps and unlock authentic travel experiences. Our goal is to help you connect with the heart and soul of each destination. Ready to ditch the crowds and discover the hidden gems? Let's dive in. Together, we'll uncover the secrets that make each place unique and unforgettable. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Travel Partner Official, for more travel tips, tricks, and inspiration. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures and helpful guides to make your travels extraordinary. So what exactly are tourist traps? You might have heard the term before, but let's dive deeper into what it really means. Simply put, they're places or experiences designed to lure in tourists and often overcharge them for mediocre offerings. These spots are strategically located in high-traffic areas, making them hard to miss. Think overpriced restaurants with bland food, where the ambiance might be appealing, but the taste leaves much to be desired. Souvenir shops hawking mass-produced trinkets that lack any real connection to the local culture or craftsmanship, or attractions with long lines and inflated prices, where the experience often doesn't live up to the hype. Why avoid them? Because they drain your travel budget and leave you feeling cheated instead of enriched. The money you spend here could be better used on more meaningful experiences. Plus, they often present a superficial view of a destination, preventing you from experiencing the true heart and soul of a place. You end up with a surface-level understanding, missing out on the deeper cultural connections. We want you to have authentic, memorable experiences, not just check off boxes on a list. Imagine sharing a meal with locals or exploring a bustling market where you can truly feel the pulse of the community. That's why we'll show you how to steer clear of these traps and discover the real treasures of your chosen destination. From hidden gems to local favorites, we'll guide you to experiences that will make your trip unforgettable. One of the best ways to avoid tourist traps is to do your research before you even leave home. Don't just rely on glossy brochures or travel agency packages. Dig a little deeper. Explore online resources like travel blogs, forums, and review websites. Read what other travelers have to say about their experiences, both good and bad. Look for recommendations from locals or experienced travelers who know the destination well. By doing your homework, you'll gain valuable insights into the true cost of things, the best places to eat, and the hidden gems that most tourists miss. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to smart travel. It's tempting to stick to the well-trodden tourist path, but venturing off the beaten track is where the real magic happens. Don't be afraid to explore beyond the main attractions and discover the hidden gems that lie just beneath the surface. Wander through local neighborhoods, visit small family-run restaurants, and seek out attractions that are popular with locals but not overrun with tourists. You'll be rewarded with authentic experiences, unique perspectives, and a deeper connection to the local culture. Remember, the most memorable travel experiences often happen when you least expect them. So embrace the unknown, get lost in the moment, and let serendipity be your guide. Section 5, Local Connections. Unlock authentic experiences. Connecting with locals is one of the best ways to unlock authentic travel experiences and avoid tourist traps. Locals can offer invaluable insights, recommendations, and perspectives that you won't find in any guidebook. Strike up conversations with your hotel staff, taxi drivers, or shopkeepers. Ask them about their favorite places to eat, things to see, and experiences they recommend. You'll be surprised by their willingness to share their knowledge and passion for their hometown. If you're feeling adventurous, consider joining a local tour or workshop. You'll have the opportunity to learn new skills, immerse yourself in the local culture, and create lasting memories. Section 6. Tech to the rescue apps and websites for savvy travelers. In today's digital age, there's an app or website for everything, including avoiding tourist traps. Whether you're planning your itinerary or looking for the best local cuisine, technology has got you covered. Leverage the power of technology to your advantage and make your travels smoother, smarter, and more enjoyable. From booking flights and accommodations to finding the best routes and attractions, the right apps can transform your travel experience. Use restaurant review apps like Yelp or TripAdvisor to find highly rated eateries favored by locals. These platforms offer user-generated reviews and ratings, helping you avoid tourist traps and discover authentic dining experiences. Explore travel blogs and forums for recommendations on hidden gems and off-the-beaten-path attractions. Bloggers and fellow travelers often share their personal experiences and tips, providing valuable insights that you won't find in traditional guidebooks. Download translation apps to facilitate communication and cultural exchange. These apps can help you navigate language barriers, making it easier to interact with locals and immerse yourself in the culture. Remember to stay connected with TravelPartner Official. Our app and website offer a wealth of resources, from travel guides to booking tools, ensuring you have everything you need at your fingertips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for even more tips, tricks, and resources to enhance your travel experiences. Our videos cover a wide range of topics, from packing hacks to destination highlights, helping you make the most of your journey. We're here to be your trusted travel companion every step of the way. With the right tools and resources, you can travel with confidence and create unforgettable memories. Section 7. Join the TravelPartner community. Speaking of TravelPartner Official, have you subscribed to our YouTube channel yet? We share weekly videos packed with travel inspiration, destination guides, and practical tips to help you make the most of your adventures. Join our growing community of passionate travelers and let's explore the world together. We love hearing your travel stories, answering your questions, and sharing in the joy of discovery. Don't be shy. Hit that subscribe button and become part of the TravelPartner family. We can't wait to connect with you and inspire your next adventure. Section 8. Food, glorious food, eat like a local. One of the best parts of traveling is indulging in delicious local cuisine. But beware of tourist trap restaurants that serve overpriced, mediocre food. To truly savor the flavors of your destination, eat like a local. Seek out small, family-run restaurants, street food stalls, and local markets. These hidden gems often offer the most authentic and flavorful dishes at a fraction of the price of tourist-oriented establishments. Don't be afraid to try something new and step outside of your culinary comfort zone. You might just discover your new favorite dish. Section 9. Sustainable travel, tread lightly. As responsible travelers, it's essential to minimize our impact on the environment and local communities. Embrace sustainable travel practices to preserve the beauty of our planet for future generations. Choose eco-friendly accommodations, support local businesses, and respect the customs and traditions of your destination. Pack reusable water bottles, bags, and cutlery to reduce waste. Opt for public transportation or walking whenever possible. By making conscious choices, we can all contribute to a more responsible and sustainable travel industry. Section 10. Remember the essentials. Tips for smooth sailing. Here are a few essential tips to ensure smooth sailing on your travels. Pack light. You'll be more mobile and avoid checked baggage fees. Learn basic phrases. Even a few words in the local language can go a long way. Stay connected. Purchase a local SIM card or portable Wi-Fi hotspot for easy communication. Be aware of your surroundings. Stay vigilant and protect your belongings from theft. Most importantly, relax and enjoy the journey. Travel is an adventure, so embrace the unexpected and savor every moment. Section 11. Ready for an adventure? Let's go! There you have it. With these tips and tricks, you're well on your way to avoiding tourist traps and unlocking authentic travel experiences. Remember to do your research, explore off the beaten path, connect with locals, and embrace the unexpected. And don't forget to subscribe to Travel Partner Official on YouTube for more travel inspiration, tips, and destination guides. We're here to help you make the most of your adventures and create memories that will last a lifetime. Happy travels!